Tomorrow, a massive protest has been arranged. Protesting against state government's failure. They did not address the issue of the sugarcane growers. Siddaramaiah government did not issue the address of maize growers, paddy growers, and during the recent floods, Revenue Minister had assured compensation. Even that amount has not been released. So every time when we demand Congress government, they repeatedly blame it on central government. So tomorrow we have organized this massive protest to ensure that state government should fall in line and come to the rescue of the farmers.
Our protest against the Congress government, Siddaramaiah-led government, because all over Karnataka flood from last 6 months. There is not even single NP released by the Karnataka government. They are fighting between Deputy CM and CM. We want immediately for the farmers who are more than 2,400 farmers suicide in Karnataka. In nation, this is the second place, I think. Normally in North Karnataka, highest suicide is happening farmers. That's why immediately release the fund for the flood relief area and sugarcane issue. All the farmers issue, we are protest against this government. We will go to Vikas Sauda, Suvarna Sauda, to protest against the CM and government.
How many people gather, sir?
More than 20,000 people will gather. We will march to Suvarna Sauda for the justice for farmers.